Do you know that your DNA and upbringing does not define your best self? The best version of yourself is your transformed self. The journey of transformation starts with a high level of self-awareness. Do you truly understand yourself? Do you understand why you act and react the way that you do? Do you understand the people in your life? We're all different, but we're all predictably different. Proverbs chapter 4 verse 7 says that wisdom is the principal thing. In all you're getting, get understanding. Why is understanding important? Understanding helps you set the right expectations. Those who set the right expectation are least likely to be disappointed. Those who are least likely to be disappointed are most likely to be happy and remain happy. Hi, I'm Angela Luget, a certified behavioral consultant, analyst, and life coach with over 25 years of experience helping people build stronger and happier relationships. On Thursday, June 8th, from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. at Church on the Rock, I would love to provide you with tools necessary to gain a deeper understanding of yourself and those in your life. The evening promises to be an evening of personal development and transformation that will greatly impact your world. Additionally, all the proceeds from this workshop will go towards supporting our upcoming mission trip to Uganda, where we'll be bringing the Word of God, distributing food, Bibles, and books to the people of northern Uganda. To register for this workshop, see the information below. Looking forward to seeing you there. God bless you.